Premiere Pro extensions not working fix. Open Adobe Creative Cloud. Search Premiere Pro. Make sure Premiere Pro is updated. Check extensions and make sure they are updated as well. Thanks for watching.